So this is the old Quaker burial ground, as you see, Society of Friends burial ground, gifted by John Purden in 1711, last used in 1857. Now I understand that everybody that was laid to rest in here was moved out over to Govan, to a burial ground over there, and this, you know, we're now getting into sort of uncharted territory here, because this is what I believe to be Castle Bank Street, and as you can see, it's all redeveloped, but your great grandparents would have lived just round about here. And we're going to head over to Partick Cross. The River Kelvin is just over the other side of that wall, so we'll head up in this direction over here.